Right, this is going to be a demonstration for how to prone patients using the Cornish pasty technique. Now, preparation is the key to this. So beforehand, what we've done is place sliding sheets under the patient. We've made sure that the catheter and any drains are hanging off the end of the bed, and with the lines, we've put the top of the bed with the drip stairs at the end. It's always important to have an anaesthetist to take the airway, and ideally 4 nurses to help us turn. Now, prior to turning, what we're going to do is just place the hand under the buttocks. Next, we're going to need 3 pillows. One is to go over the shins, the second over the pelvis, and the third over the chest. Before we do this, you should be able to see that I've put the ECG lead on the shoulders and side of the chest, so that when the patient is in the prone position, they won't get pressure marks from the leads. Pillows like this will allow the abdomen to expand when the patient is prone. Next, we're going to place a sheet on top of the patient. So we just fold the top back, which will allow us to pull it out once the patient is prone, and it just means that we can deal with the airway still. Now, as we're going to turn the patient towards the left, we're going to roll the sheet under, and on this side we're going to roll the sheet over. So you just take the top and bottom sheet and roll them together nice and tight, hence the Cornish pasty. Okay, I'm ready. So on the anaesthetist call, we're going to slide the patient towards the right side of the bed. Ready? Ready? Slide. Everyone just get readjusted. Airway safe, head supported. Now we're going to slide the patient up and onto the side. We're going to pull up, and Carl and Anna are going to push down and under. On your call. Ready? Ready? Roll. Okay, so just readjust. Airway safe, airway wide. Okay, so we're going to turn the patient's head as we go down onto the front. On your call. Ready? Steady? Go. So now what we do is remove the top sheet, and we should be able to just pull the sheet out. And they'll just need a bit of readjusting with the pillow to get the patient in the right place. Lovely. And then we reposition the arm into swimming position, and the patient is safely prone. So now we're going to demonstrate how to do a posture change, ideally every 2 to 4 hours, to prevent pressure damage. So what we're going to do for this one is slide the patient so the head is off the bed. This will allow the anaesthetist to manage the airway and turn the head safely so we can rotate the arm into the opposite position. Do you want to place the arm down first? Okay, so we're just going to slide up. On your call. Ready? Steady? Go. Okay. We just turn the head and airway. And now we're going to slide back down on your call. Ready? Steady? Go. And then we can do the same with this arm. This manoeuvre can actually take 3 people rather than 5, and like I said, should be done between 2 and 4 hour leads. Thank you.